Okay, what did you think? Not that good? Okay. Day number 2. Blizzard's done and we are on our way to Central Park. We're gonna go up 5th Avenue where all the shopping is and stop in a couple stores maybe?
Yes.
Yeah. And then we'll see where the day takes us from there. Meanwhile, as we're on our way, she decided to wear boots when the roads are completely iced over. Which is where the ice skating rink is at back here, and it's not as big as you think it is. And then Jimmy Fallon does his night show in there. And that's where we'll go, way up there on Friday. So we were gonna hit that church on the other side of the street I showed you, but we came over to this one. It's called St. Thomas Episcopal. Very neat. So now we're gonna go what? We're gonna find the Apple store now. We're getting really close. Probably one of the most hated buildings in New York City, and there's guys out front with machine guns. What? Apple store underground. Well, that's a big disappointment. I thought we were going in the one that went underground, but I guess not. See anything you want?
Do you want your watch?
Okay, Central Park. She's a little lost, but she'll get us there. Everybody looks like they're having a good time. Are you having a good time? So am I, even though she made me put my camera away. We're still walking through Central Park. There's a lot of snow out here. And I also was gonna fly the drone, but realized I can't because we're like a half a mile maybe from Trump Tower. So I'm pretty sure I'd be on CNN before the end of the day. And she wouldn't come bail me out. Would you?
Nope. Take your camera out and videotape it all.
A statue commemorating the New World found by Christopher Columbus in October of 14... Anyone?
92.
Bing. It's a statue of Shakespeare commemorating his birth, April 1864. These dudes are old. Yeah. You guys probably can't read that. But this park was dedicated by Anne Burnett. So does that mean that you think they would rename it instead of Central Park, Burnett Park? Huh? No.
honest with me. Yeah. This is the last time I see you on the street. Yeah, in the street.
Do you hear this?
Finish with me, okay? Thank you. Do the
So now where are we going?
The bridge.
Okay, we're gonna go find the bridge and then I think we're gonna be done recording for a while. That crazy homeless guy up there was insane. He was kind of not all there, I think. It's snowing again, and she's about fallen, I don't know, 100 times roughly. But we found the bridge that she wanted to come to. It's called Bow Bridge. I don't recognize it. That's cool. We're headed back up Park Avenue. We just came into Central Park. Faces again frozen, can't feel them. So we're going back to the hotel now, right?
Yeah. Oh, and hot chocolate.
And hot chocolate. Chill out for a little while before we start getting ready. We have a show to go to tonight, Broadway show, Book of Mormon. So I don't know if it's like this other places in other cities. This is a snowbank and a car couldn't get out onto the road, so they drove onto the sidewalk. We made it into this really cool church. Check this out. So we came in the Saks Fifth Avenue Mall in New York. There's designers in here I've never heard of, but they charge an arm and a leg for their stuff. Which one do you want? This is the Gucci store. I bet there's not anything else like this anywhere. And it's all ugly. You know you've made it when you can go to the fur salon, right? We're gonna figure out what to do for dinner now, right? And we're done walking around now. We're gonna have some coffee, warm up, get dressed, go eat dinner, and then go to our show, Book of Mormon, right?
Yep.
I'm excited. Are you excited? Okay, that's it for today. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.